So I'm going to flip through my blocks just so you can see them. I think they all deserve their moment to shine, and especially since they came from my block of the month. Honestly, I could not tell you who did which block at this point. It's been over a year since I received them, so I couldn't tell you whose are whose, but I'm sure that my friends who made them will remember. Now, they're all mixed in, and I did kind of practice a layout, so they are near the ones that I put them with. All right, so here we go. I'm going to flip through my blocks and try not to chat too much. This one is on a linen, like a woven. I do love that color. Little moon fabric. And I think I ended up with a pretty good variety of all the different shapes of mugs. Vegetables. Some of them have the papers on. I think most of them do not. This is probably the most complex block. Had some Y seams. I think I made this one. I don't know. I tried to throw in a few seasonal ones for fun, but not in obvious Christmas colors so that it would match with the whole quilt. And you can see I do have different shades of light blue. That was the hardest thing to kind of match within the group, but it'll look pretty no matter what. This is a little Liberty of London. Very, very soft. I do love this shape of this mug. It's very delicate and feminine. Now this must be another row. You can see my pile is tilted when I stacked them. This is supposed to be like the Tupperware mug. I think everybody had one or a few growing up. Ross. My son really loved getting all these in the mail from my friends, and every time that some of them would arrive, oh, there's Kermit the Frog from the side. Every time the mugs, a couple blocks would arrive, he would open the package with me, and then he would get out the stack that I had on my desk and add the new ones to it and then lay them all out together. And then he was kind of assigning a mug to each person in our family. So I had written with the friction pen on them some names. My husband, myself, my kids. And you can kind of tell he really handled this one. The linen is really fraying. And look, he started to write on it. Luckily, I did that one. And I did some solid ones in there. I didn't want it to all be patterns. Some dark, some light. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, but I will be showing you the whole quilt after it's pieced. So I'll do some close-ups then too. This is so fun. I know Amanda made that one. She's squirrel crazy. And then this one, I might put this on the back or make a mug rug with it because the color is just too different than the rest of my blues. I think it will stand out too much. All right, time for me to lay them out in an arrangement.